Good morning, everyone. It's Adam with Seaside Vacations. I'm at the Sutton Street Beach Access in Kill Devil Hills this morning with your beach report for Thursday, March 15th. Happy Thursday. We've got a gorgeous day. Spring has sprung in the Outer Banks. I know we're still a few days away from the official start, but it has definitely started in the Outer Banks. It's been a gorgeous week. We got temps topping out at about 70 degrees today. A nice light offshore breeze out of the southwest, probably about 5 miles per hour. Bright sun, blue skies, so it is a perfect time to be down here on the beach. Looking ahead, this weather's going to stick with us. Nice light offshore breeze is going to be with us. Bright sun, temps up around 70. So it's going to be a great weekend here on the beach. Please give us a look if you're thinking about coming down, outerbanksvacations.com. Unfortunately, we don't have too much surf to report, but that light offshore breeze is keeping the swell that we do have nice and clean. It's only about knee high, but if you got an itch to get in the water, it's a great day to be outside and not a bad day to be out paddling. I actually heard that some guys down in Hatteras were already going without boots and without gloves, so that means the water temps are starting to warm, which is good news for fishing. Unfortunately, fishing is still pretty slow. Real consistent at Jennette's Pier for skate and dogfish, and offshore has been pretty consistent with some tuna, bluefin, yellowfin, and I heard a catch of a big-eye tuna the other day. But the good news is that warmer water is heading our way, and that should bring some good spring fishing with us, so hopefully that'll arrive sometime soon. I'll give you a quick peek at the beach. We got a few people out here just enjoying a gorgeous morning on the beach, strolling with their dog, picking up some shells, but other than that, it's a nice peaceful morning here on the beach. Like I said, if you're thinking about coming down, please give us a look. We got a whole bunch of reservations going on for the summer, so now's definitely a good time to get a jump on the summer and pick out your house. Give us a look online or give us a quick call. We're happy to help you. Other than that, have a great Thursday. Hope it's nice and warm where you are. Talk to you soon.